Hi there. We're gonna look at the DAX daily chart and try to define our support and resistance levels. As you can see, DAX has been in the sell mode for the last 2 days, and it is continuing today. We're looking at a support of around 14,150. If that breaks, then we're gonna be down to 13,900. Okay, so the 14,000 level will break if DAX decides to close below 14,150 today. All right. And this is due to the fact that we are waiting for the US Federal Reserve's meeting minutes. And it's widely expected that the interest rates are going to rise higher and for a longer period due to persistent inflation data that we've been seeing. All right, and so these two 14,150 support with 13,900 second support and 13,800 as your final support here for the week. Now for resistances, in fact, DAX needs to get above 14,350 to rise any higher. Else, we're looking at a continuing downtrend from here. Okay, so 14,350 resistance followed by 14,500 and the final resistance of 14,550 for this week. Okay, guys, so good luck and I'll see you in the next video.